No followers? No problem. How to start and grow your page. Let me start with this. Posting without strategy is like dressing up for an interview you were never invited to. You look good, but no one is watching. In today's world, especially in 2025, content creation is not just fun. For many, it's a career, a source of income, and even a path to influence. Excuses won't pay school fees, rent, or medical bills, but content done right can open doors. So, how can you grow your page as an upcoming content creator? Let's look at some practical, simple steps. 1. Be meaningfully active on other people's pages. Growth doesn't start with boosting or paying for ads. It starts with engagement. When you leave meaningful comments on other people's posts, not just nice or wow, but thoughtful insights or genuine questions, you become visible. If someone posts about how to start a small business, instead of typing "good one," you could comment, "What do you think is the biggest mistake beginners should avoid?" That kind of question adds value and makes others curious to check your page. How many of you would be more likely to click on a profile if the person left a smart comment? Exactly. That's how visibility works. 2. Stay consistent and build relationships. One post in January, another in March, and silence till August, that won't grow a page. Consistency is the fuel of growth. Respond to your followers when they comment. Appreciate them. Let them feel like they are part of a community. Think of it like a friendship. If someone always greets you but you ignore them, how long before they stop greeting? The same happens on social media. 3. Post when your audience is active. Timing matters. Posting when your followers are asleep is like performing a concert in an empty hall. Check your analytics or observe when your audience is online. That's when you should post. Interactive thought. Think of your favorite creator. Do you notice they always post around the same time? That's not accident. That's strategy. 4. Avoid follow for follow traps. Follow for follow may give you numbers, but it doesn't give you engagement. Why? Because those people are also chasing numbers, not real content. What you need is an organic community. People who follow you because they value your work, not because you exchange favors. 5. Appreciate your audience. Do occasional giveaways. Your followers are human beings, not just numbers. Sometimes a small giveaway, a shout out, or even a thank you post makes them feel appreciated. A valued audience is a loyal audience. So here's the lesson. Growing a page is not about shortcuts. It's about strategy, consistency, and building real relationships. From today, decide. Will you start leaving meaningful comments? Will you respond to your followers? Will you post when your audience is actually awake? If you do these small things consistently, your page will not just grow in numbers, it will grow in influence. You may not hear these truths often, but today you've heard them. What matters now is what you do with them. Don't just leave with notes, lead with action. Rewire your mindset, take charge of your habits, and feed your life daily with discipline and purpose. That is how prosperity begins. Like and subscribe.